In today's video, we are talking about a ticker that may be positioned to revolutionize the mental health treatment market, and if this isn't something that's currently in your portfolio, you may want to reconsider adding it. What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we have a sponsored video. A huge shout out to Sideways Frequency for sponsoring today's video. So yes, this is a paid sponsorship and paid promotion, but as many of you guys know who watch my channel, I don't do the promos unless I actually like the stock and like what the company is doing. So without further ado, if you guys want to hit the like button to get this out to more people and drop a comment down below what you think of this stock, it would be greatly appreciated. Let's get into the video. So this stock currently hit its low of 20 cents and got a nasty bounce of 76%, currently trading almost at 40 cents on the stock. To be exact, it went from 21 cents to 39 cents as to where it's trading currently, but it did end up scaling a little bit higher, with the fib retracement leaving the next level of resistance at 95 cents. This leaves a nasty spot for a potential 144% gain over the next couple of months, especially with what the company is about to do, and we're going to talk about it. First of all, ticker symbol CYBN has a 100% rating of a strong buy, according to institutions, bigger players, and we're going to talk about who's short and if people are short in 1 minute. But not only that, this stock actually has a forecasted price target of $4.48 a share, leaving a 1-year return on the table of 1,047%. As you can see, 6 analysts gave it the rating, and 6 analysts gave it a strong buy rating. The stock has major price targets not only in 1 year, but the years following, bringing the price target all the way up to $10 a share, and leaving the minimum price target at 189%, bringing the stock up to $1.13. So what's there to lose? Probably not much. But again, none of this is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. But institutions are afraid of this stock, and a lot of times you see within these smaller plays, especially penny stocks, them being shorted into the floor. But why not CYBN? Does it actually have something to bring to the table? Short interest is only sitting at 2 days to cover. However, that is a metric that uses volume, and the stock's volume is not high whatsoever. Float is also not high. The short interest is only sitting at 2.32%, so barely any shorts are piling in onto this penny stock. Now, since December of 2022, their earnings report have been solid. Net income up 37%, diluted EPS up 40%, net operating income up 26%, and net change in cash up 35%, as well as March 2023 had another beat, up 24, up 30, up 16, and up 40. So the company's earnings is completely solid. It's a very, very cheap play with a high price target and a 100% buy rating. But what are we missing? Let's jump into the company and the strategy on this. So according to this report by this analyst, the idea here is to go long between 25 and 30 cents, which is the range we're kind of trading at right now, a little bit higher. And the target area would be 75 to 80 cents, which is right before that fib retracement level of a heavy resistance. So you probably could ride it a little bit further, and the risk is only 15 cents in a 2 to 6 month time frame. Now, this is a decent strategy. However, I think this stock is going to do better over the long term. Now, the common shares of the stock and the total outstanding are very, very low. Total outstanding 266 million shares, which is an extremely low float on this play, and insiders own about 23% of that, 22% or so of that entire float. Current market cap only under 70 million, but that is expected to gain substantially over the next 10 years. Now, to be exact, CYBN is positioned to revolutionize the mental health treatment market with its innovative therapies treating major depressive disorder, MDD, and alcohol use disorder. So this company is not only potentially going to thrive, but they are also doing something very well, and that is exactly why I took the sponsor. They have different treatment approaches that outweigh the competitors, which we're going to talk about in 1 second. The research studies have yielded promising results addressing symptoms of root causes of MDD, unlike other treatments that solely focus on symptom management. They basically go into detail on how they treat disorders and how they beat their competitors and how they will have a competitive advantage, and if not already do, within the market. So if you think you have another stock that this is competing with, I'd be very worried about that position in your portfolio. CYBN's pipeline progress is marked by significant milestones, the imminent release of phase 2 data and subsequent discussions with the FDA regarding phase 3 trials represents a critical step towards regulatory approval and commercialization. There have been 2 nonprofits in the same industry that have previously received FDA breakthrough therapy status approval. Thus, this company is expected to have the same thing go through. They say that there is a high probability that they will also receive their FDA breakthrough status approval. Thus, leading to potential market dominance. Now let's get into the financials and the competitors, and is it worth it, depending on the risk analysis. Cybn's recent third quarter financial information reveals promising insights. The company's efficient financial management is demonstrated by its carefully controlled burn rate, ensuring sustainable operations and reducing the risk of dilution for existing shareholders. The ongoing ATM program provides Cybn with access to additional capital, enabling growth opportunities while enhancing working capital. These positive financial updates underscore Cybn's stability for potential future success. So not only are their earnings looking strong, but they have programs that are giving them access to additional capital on top of that. If you see companies high in debt and still a decreasing earnings, those are both red flags, and this company has neither of those. However, what about the competitors? While competition does exist in the mental health treatment market, Cybn seems to hold a favorable position. The strategic acquisition of a study has accelerated Cybn's progress by 18 months, propelling the company ahead of its competitors. Additionally, Cybn's patent protection and shorter development timelines provide a significant competitive edge. The streamlined, cost-effective administration of Cybn's treatments position the company as a potential market leader. So they have patent protection along with shorter development timelines, providing a competitive edge over other competitors within the same exact market. Now, according to the writer of this article, who recently called out a play that ran over 1,000%, this is his risk analysis. While investing in the stock market involves inherent risk, Cybn's strong value proposition mitigates potential concerns around financing activities used to continue enrollment in current and future research studies. Positive results from past research studies and the company's robust pipeline progress reduce the risk associated with clinical trial outcomes. Regulatory challenges are minimized through breakthrough therapy status, if granted, which they do think it will be granted, accelerating market entry. Furthermore, I feel that there is a favorable risk-reward potential associated with Cybn's upcoming study results that justifies the long position. Changing minds, revolutionizing mental health care. I'm going to leave the link to their website right under the video, as well as in the top of comments, so you guys can check them out, as well as potentially even taking a small position in their ticker symbol CYBN. Again, none of this is financial advice, but on top of everything I've provided about the company, this is in a falling wedge, just looking for that major breakout, and one catalyst could set this thing off. And a lot of these penny stocks, especially in these type of niches, get shorted to the floor, but you can see why they are afraid to short this company. And I guess my question to you here, my audience, drop a comment down below. Are you willing to take a stab at ticker symbol CYBN as a company? Are you willing to take it as a long position? Are you willing to take it as a 2 to 6 month position? Is it not worth it in your eyes? Drop your comment down below on what you seriously think about this company. In my eyes, no short thesis, company doing well, and a company trying to do well for other people gives me the outlook that I would want to invest into something like this. But I do want to know your thoughts in the comments down below. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. If you didn't see the video I uploaded earlier, make sure to go watch that. Thank you so much for Sideways Frequency and Cybn for sponsoring today's video. I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate what you're doing as a company, and I do hope you thrive in the future. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.